It's your tooth, is it?
Look.
I don't want to see it.
Look.
I don't want to see it.
Look.
Why?
Just look.
Oh, it's fucking rotten. Jesus. Fuck away from me with that. Yuck. Good night today. Oh yeah,
Don't you?
This is...
Cat's smelling our boots.
Eesh. Holy fuck, look at the size of that. Look at the size of the cavity in it.
What's that? Granny, cat's smelling our boots. What's that? What's that, Daddy? This.
What's that,
Can
What
you,
size?
That's cool, isn't it?
can you show me? Ooh.
That's Ryan's tooth.
Spaghetti and Whoa. Head.
Yes, boys, what's the crack? Right, so as you probably guessed, I got a tooth out there, and that was the boys' reaction to, or some of the lads' reactions to seeing it. I'm not going to show the actual tooth on here because it's, I know some of you might find it disgusting, some of you might actually be amazed because it is massive. Like, it looks exactly like this. Right, it's got, you know, it's the three things and all. It's, yeah. But yeah, so I just thought it'd be funny to see the boys' reaction. I know Aaron has a weak stomach, so it was funny seeing his reaction. So it was. So as always, make sure to like and subscribe. We're gonna have a look at the pit bike here now, and maybe get the GoPro on and take a run. You'll see here now. I took a video yesterday up with Dad and Granda. They were working with some bales, and I never got out in the pit bike. But I'm gonna take a quick spin now before I go back into work. And we'll see how she's going. She's probably not going 100% because I haven't bothered tuning the carb yet because I'm waiting on air filters, but we'll see what the crack is.
He's gonna knock the bike over now. Fucking hell.
was trying to put on the Jakey Bro sticker here. There'll be a circle on there, but whatever the stickers are very thick, so they must kind of need a flat area to go onto, but it just wasn't going on for me, right? Either I'm shit at put on stickers or it was just a torture, so I'm going to have to get some kind of stickers now to maybe cover up there, because obviously can't leave that like that. I put this sticker on, this one on Grand. Red circle, they do a lot of pit bike parts, so I just had that lying about. So I think there might be a wee bit of oil leaking from this nut here. I think the last time I put it in, I put a bit of red gasket sealer in with it. So I'll need to do that again, so she's not leaking. And then the carb needs tuned. That'll be her nearly done then, nearly ready. But hopefully the plastics stick it out, the spray on the plastics. Like that there, I was surprised that came off fairly easily with the sticker, so hopefully the rest of it is not too bad. See, some of the stuff that was kind of actually maybe a bit rougher might actually stay on a bit better, because it had more to grip onto. Maybe these ones are too smooth. So we'll see. But anyway, we'll see if she kicks alright here now. Good job.
Like a fucking airplane, but very much.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Your camera on there?
It's not on, no, I must turn it on up here somewhere.
You're on you. Hey, thanks again, buddy.
Right.
You're a lifesaver.
Oh, thinking she's gonna do that.
Battery flat.
Flat from lying up. She might go a push, so. Well, she did it.
Jump on her, you got push.
Push it in.